around this side. And come back around and go back.
He can drive from both ways.
If you want to, yeah, if you want to do it, yeah, he can stop, he can turn off that side, and he can go, turn the like the train, you know. You can go the other way. You know, you can go that way. It's up to you if you want to go that way, or if you want to go the other side, turn the side off and turn the other side off. I think that's what I'm going to do now. I think that's what I'm going to do. Is it, let me say, oh no, they're not going to bother do it. No. But you can do it that way if you want to, though. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe have a look and see that. Okay, should have outside like that too, you know? No? Oh, one side, oh. At the old time one, that's right. Huh? But the new school one can do both ways. Yeah, both ways. It makes sense now. Let me get it, you know? I will caught on camera right there, no me. So see that? So that was saying to you, see? We go around there, I'll come back this and round the other way. Yeah man, you're wicked man. You see? How far away they walk, isn't it? How far away they walk, man. Alright then. No sir. No, that no look safe at all, sir. Eh? That no look safe at all. That thing only controlled by wind, you know. Only the wind do it. Moon do that. No sir, moon bother with that. No. You figure you take that thing and then you figure go trust wind, you know what I mean? You don't see me doing that, man. No sir. I think they're going to be landing. Yeah, alright, is it Conlan? The landing spot, yeah. So you know something now? I want to see who go next on that now.
Yeah? Maybe then I'll look off right.
I don't know, just have to keep eye and see.
You know what?
Yeah.
How much? 75 euro. 75 euro. Where you fly from? From here? From here to here.
See?
From here to here?
See? I told you. That thing look very dangerous. Including video recording, so you can record your video too. The lady, look, she have a GoPro there now. She done it. See, look, they're taking it off her now. Oh, so they're the one must record it. Oh, you do the recording, yeah? Oh, right. So they do videos for you and everything, I get it. Yeah.
Why that risky though?
It is very risky. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy everybody, guys, you know, it's really good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, I think Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American. 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, it's very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about the height here in Philippines, guys.